Good morning from Berlin. Let's further fine-tune our query from the previous video. Just a quick recap. I originally used a left outer join to find the answer to this question: how many of our titles don't have a publisher? You'll find a link to the dataset, the article, and the previous videos in the video description. Now I want to find out what categories these titles fall under and who wrote them. Then I'll write this query that makes use of 2 inner joins and a left outer join. Now if I run this query as it is, it's going to take a few minutes to display any results. So what I'll do is I'll copy the query and then paste it into the Aggregation Editor to do some fine tuning. You'll see I've got several stages here, and we want to rearrange the query so that the first join does the majority of the work. So I'll move up stages 6, 7, and 8. I'll run the query in the Aggregation Editor, and now I've got my results. Instead of the query taking several minutes to complete, it's only taken a few seconds. Now say I'm still a bit curious about the performance of the query, I can use the Explain tab, where I can get a visual representation of the winning query plan, and how MongoDB decided to execute that query. That's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this short Using SQL and MongoDB series. Thanks for watching and happy querying!